just finished their meeting, and we want to use the opportunity to congratulate our presidential candidate, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, for his very well-deserved victory over our very transparent and fair primaries we just finished in Port Harcourt, Rivers State. And it's our prayers that God will sustain him and lead him and take him to that destination that PDP, upon which PDP gave him our ticket. We have met because of what we saw in the social media over the issue of vice presidential candidates. Inasmuch as we will never be against anybody chosen from Southeast to be the presidential running mate to our PDP candidates. But we are shocked and surprised that social media could start carrying such insinuations that the leaders of Southeast are not aware that our candidate has chosen the running mate. And if anything is the truth in the social media section, the leaders of Southeast were never consulted, neither are we aware. However, His Excellency Atiku Abubakar has sent a message to the leaders of Southeast that is out of the country today on a short visit. And as soon as he comes back, he himself will be coming down to Southeast to meet with the Southeast leaders for a very deep and cordial discussion and relationship. That was the resolution of our meeting.